I've been drawing for many years, and in this tutorial I will share 7 tips to help you improve your drawing skills faster and make your art look better. But before we begin, if you like this tutorial, you can watch it on my Patreon or YouTube membership. You will also get access to special freebies there. Now, let's get started. One of the best exercises to improve your drawing is practicing simple shapes like circles, rectangles, triangles, and turning them into 3D forms. This helps you understand structure, volume, and how subjects exist in space. Once you learn how to build and combine simple shapes, drawing becomes much easier and less overwhelming. For example, I often use circles as the base for heads, rectangles for bodies, and other simple forms to build my sketches. Almost everything you draw can be broken down into basic shapes first. Practicing shapes also improves your confidence, sketch accuracy, and helps you create stronger drawings faster. Now, let me show you how practicing shapes helps improve my drawings and makes sketching much easier. One of the most helpful drawing tips is learning how to break complex objects into simple shapes first. In this part, I'm using the 3D shapes from the previous exercise to draw different pieces of cake. Instead of jumping straight into details, I first simplify the object into basic forms like cubes, rectangles, triangles, and circles. This makes drawing much easier because it helps you understand the structure and proportions before adding details. Once the base shapes look right, I slowly refine the sketch and add the final details to bring the drawing to life. So at the beginning, try to recognize and understand the basic shapes of the object. Draw those simple shapes, then slowly build on them by adding details and refining your sketch. I've gotten a lot of questions about how I draw smooth lines without shaky strokes. A big part of it is how you hold your pen and control your hand. Try to draw with light, confident strokes, and don't press too hard. If you use too much pressure, your lines can look shaky. Keeping it light helps your lines look smoother and more natural. So it's not all about the brush settings rather than control the hand on the screen. As you see, I'm drawing different strokes by controlling the pressure on the screen. Another way to make your lines smooth is by adjusting your brush settings. For this, I'm gonna duplicate my Sleek Ink brush, go to Settings and tap on Stabilization. Here I will try to change the amount of the brush and I will test it. Adjusting the stabilization amount helps smooth out your strokes. Higher stabilization makes your lines steadier and reduces shakiness, while lower stabilization gives you more natural, responsive movement. For this, I can't give a specific settings because there is no perfect stabilization setting. It depends on your preferences. You can test it and adjust as you like. But remember, it's not just about settings, it's mainly about controlling your hand on the screen. One of the most important things you need to understand in your drawing is the light source. For example, here I will suppose that the light source is coming from this side, and now I will create a new layer, set it to multiply mode, then I will turn on clipping mask to keep coloring inside the canvas, and here I will pick up the pink color and start adding shadows here on the opposite side, not on the side that the light source is coming from. Now I will choose the green to also create a shadow for the leaves. just to give it more depth. Now I'm creating a new layer, turning on clipping mask, set it to add mode, and now I will pick the green color and start adding lights for the leaves. I will do the same as well to the strawberry by picking the pink color and adding highlights. Understanding the light source will help you decide where the light hits your subject and where the shadow should be. It also gives your drawing depth and makes it feel more realistic. One of the best ways to improve your drawing is by understanding and drawing the negative space. Negative space is the area around and between your subject. Instead of focusing only on the object, you learn to see the shapes created by the empty areas. Paying attention to negative space helps you see shapes more clearly, improves accuracy and proportions, and makes your drawing feel more balanced and natural. It also reduces guessing because when the surrounding shapes are correct, the subject itself becomes more accurate. Overall, it trains your brain to think in shapes instead of symbols, leading to more confident, realistic, and well-structured drawings. In this part of the tutorial, try using your imagination when looking at photos or things around you as references. Instead of copying exactly, observe the image, break it into simple shapes, and imagine how you can turn it into a cute drawing and more adorable than real life. It helps you improve your observation, creativity, and makes drawing more fun and relaxed. The last tip is practicing every day. Even a few minutes daily can really improve your drawing over time. It helps you build confidence, improve your skills, and train your eye and hand to work better together. Stay consistent, enjoy it, and remember small daily practice leads to big progress. And that's it. Hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. If you like those drawings, you can watch them on my Patreon or YouTube membership. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.